Now children, let's solve exercise 7.5 where we have to add or subtract two fraction numbers with like denominators. So we start with the first sum 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 18. Adding two fractions with like denominators is very easy. Write down the denominator. You are not going to add the denominators, you will just write down the denominator which is common in both 18, and then you will add only the numerators. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 upon 18, and you can further simplify it by 2 ones and 2 nines. So the final answer is going to be 1 upon 9. Is that clear? Then we move on with the second sum. 8 upon 15 plus 3 upon 15. What will you do? Write down 15 in the denominator place and then add the numerators. 8 plus 3, 11. Now you can see here it's a proper fraction and nothing is common between the numerator and denominator, so we leave the answer here itself. Further simplification is not possible. The next sum is subtracting two fractions with like denominators. 7 upon 7 minus 5 upon 7. Write down the denominator common, and 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 upon 7 is the answer. Like this you have to solve the rest of the sums. Yes, I would like to do the G, sum number G. Here you can see 1 minus 2 by 3, and one more over here, HI, GHI, that is 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. I'll do for you. Okay, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8 and 9 I'm going to do for you. The rest 4, 5, 6 you will do it yourself with the self practice. Okay. Seventh sum 1 minus 2 by 3. One thing we can do here, this fraction has 3 in denominator place, whereas 1 means what? 1, if we want 3 in the denominator place, 1 means 3 on 3, or 4 on 4 is 1, 5 on 5 is 1. But as here the denominator is 3, we will consider this one as 3 upon 3 minus 2 by 3. If 4 is over here in denominator, here you will take 4 on 4. If 5 is here, then you will take 5 upon 5, because in all case it's going to be 1. 7 upon 7 is also 1, 6 upon 6 is also 1, but we are taking here 3 on 3. Why? Because the denominator of this fraction is 3. Then only subtraction becomes easy, or then only subtraction is possible. Now taking the denominator 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 upon 3 is the answer. Is that clear? You can do this if and only if it is 1. आप डायरेक्टली ले सकते हो. ओके, यहाँ पे कुछ और नंबर है तो आप कैसे करोगे वो भी है जो हम करके दिखाएंगे. दैट इज द लास्ट सम ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, बट बिफोर दैट लेट्स डू eighth sum is 1 upon 4 plus 0 upon 4. Now we know a fraction number having 0 in the numerator, its value is always 0. So इसको हम 0 ले लेते हैं. 1 upon 4 plus 0 is what? 1 upon 4. Any number added to 0 will give you that number itself. So additive identity 0, तो ये हुआ 1 upon 4 is the answer. अब आते हैं 9th क्वेश्चन पर और 9th सम पर। देखिए 3 माइनस 12 अपॉन 5। नाउ हियर वी कैन नॉट टेक, यहाँ पे 1 नहीं है, ये 3 है, तो व्हाट विल यू डू? देन वी विल फॉलो द एलसीएम रूल। वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 5 upon 5, we'll multiply 5 with this, so what will you get? Because in the denominator it's nothing but 1 and LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 3 upon 1 will be multiplied by 5 by 5, so 3 5s are 15. It's like this. Will give you what? 15 upon 5. This we will put in place of 3 by 1. We will replace 3 by 1 with 15 by 5 minus 12 upon 5. 15 minus 12 is 3 upon 5. Is that clear? So what we did over here? Nothing. We just multiplied 5 with 3, 15, because we know there are two numbers and out of that one denominator is there, the other one is nothing but 1. So obviously this is the LCM. So this number we will multiply with this, and in denominator we will take that number. So here you can see 5 3s are 15. 15 upon 5 minus 12 upon 5. And so on subtraction you get, on subtracting you get 3 by 5. Okay. Here in this exercise 7.5 we are doing only question number 2. Now we move on to the next exercise, that is 7.6. Exercise 7.6, where we are going to solve addition and subtraction of fraction number with unlike denominators. Here we start with the first question, first sum, 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 7. Question number 1, and it's solve first sum 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 7. What are we going to do? As we have studied in the previous exercise, when there are two fractions with unlike denominators or unlike fractions, what we do, we find out the LCM of the numbers given in the denominator place. So both are prime numbers. LCM will be 3 multiplied by 7, that's equal to 21. Okay. Now we are going to just make the denominators of each fraction equal to 21. So now next step is going to be 2 by 3 multiplied by, what am I going to multiply with 3? 7 to get 21. I want 21 in the, or we want 21 in the denominator place, so that both of the fraction has 21 or common or same denominator, so that we can add it. So now 7 upon 7, that gives you 14 upon 21. और अभी 1 upon 7 को आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, you will multiply it with 3. So 3 on 3, 3 1s are 3, 7 3s are 21. Now we can add these two fractions because their denominators are same. So we will replace these two fractions with these numbers, transformed ones. 14 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21. क्या मिलेगा आपको आंसर? 14 plus 3 is equal to 17 upon 21. Is that clear? This we can write like this also. We can write it like this: 14 plus 3 upon 21. One time you can write it. You can take So either you write like this or you write like this. Finally answer will be 14 plus 3, 17 upon 21. There is nothing common between these two numbers, so leave it like this. It's a proper fraction. If it is an improper fraction, then you will divide and get the answer in mixed fraction. ओके, तो ऐसे ही आपको सॉल्व करने होंगे ये सारे सम्स. Understood? Here you can see these are mixed fractions. There are many ways of solving it, but what I would tell you that you just convert each mixed fraction into an improper fraction. फिर बाद में इसी प्रोसीजर, same procedure you will carry out to add or subtract. Hope you have understood, and soon you will get the PDF of this exercise. In the next video we will start lesson number 8. Till then, goodbye.